When I first came to Regis, I immediately felt incredibly welcomed through the tour guides, teammates, coaches, and any faculty that I happened to run into. I knew it was the place for me, and I loved it. I definitely knew I wanted to do nursing because my dad has had multiple surgeries throughout his life, so I've been in and out of the hospital constantly. And every time I would meet a nurse, I knew that's what I wanted to do because they were always so reassuring and comforting to me. So I wanted to be that person for other people in the future. Receiving a scholarship definitely motivated me at Regis because I wanted to prove to my donors that their leap of faith in giving me such a generous donation went to good use. I spent numerous hours in the library studying just to get a GPA that I knew my donors would be proud of. That's why I strove very hard throughout activities off campus and on campus to show my donors that I was incredibly thankful and was making the most of the donation. If I met my donor face to face, I would say thank you and probably give her a giant hug because I don't think I'd be able to attend Regis if I didn't have such a generous donation. Thank you so much for your support.